Okay, I'm going to attempt to install some seat covers. Okay, got one done. Okay, now we're going to do the other one. Okay, here we go. Alright folks, I'll show you what I got going on. I didn't show the whole progress of this, but I took these vent covers off. Show you where. I took these vent covers off up here. And I modified it. I took this off and left the casing. And then I mounted a piece of wood in the casing. And then mounted all my electrical components. An on and off switch, 12 volt supply. And this is pretty cool. And this is pretty cool. I got two USBs 3.0 and a couple PDs. So basically what I did was run a line from here, from this light up into here, over into here, and then this is where this is going to go. This is going to go right in here. There we go. Let's get the red wire in there. Got the reds. Let's get the blacks. Let's get the black wires in. Alright, that still works. I have to live with that, guys. So basically what I did was run a line from here, from this light up into here, over into here. That fit in there nice. Okay, I had a little snafu. I busted this, it pushed through. It's a piece of shit. It's cheap. So what I had to do is I glued it, taped it up, and then I'll pull that tape off, and then I'll secure this in better. It's a shame I only need like a 1/4 inch, but anyhow, we got power. It looks good. Okay, this is our next step here. So we're gonna go right here, like so. I gotta figure out what to do with that seat belt. Okay, so okay, so we got there. There. And we got our charger. Gonna go there. No Velcro. So it goes there. Okay, so it goes there, like so. I should probably staple that, be safe, so it don't pull out. Try to do that without effing it up. So now I just pull it back here. In there, I get power. And charge our batteries. The remotes. Then I have to install this. Okay, so I have my battery charger set up and my remotes and a flashlight. Then over here I have my flashlights and remotes, and then up here I have two of my lamps. I got my overhead light installed. I busted one, I'll have to fix it. And then I have my charging station here. It charges that. I know I tore the roof up, I'll have to fix that. I got a couple more hooks up here for my lights. And I keep my flashlight here. This is my everyday carry. So I installed my remotes up here to get them out of the way. Alright, my bed's finished. He took an inch or two off the side and an inch or two off the length, probably 2 inches off the length. And what I did with my pillow is, instead of having a second pillow, I put an inflatable here. So when I go to bed at night, I inflate that. And got my electric blanket installed. So I want to give this a shot for a couple trips, see if maybe I could take another inch or two off of it on the side. I don't want to take too much off because it's really comfy right now. What I did was I took the tri-fold mattress, I took out all the foam, glued them 3 pieces together, and then what I did was I glued my memory foam on top of them 3 pieces, and then on the bottom I glued on a Gorilla no slip mattress liner thing to hold everything together, and then I covered it with my sheet. First I trimmed it. I'm probably going to wind up taking another inch off of it. We'll see, because it's really comfortable and I don't want to mess it up. The reason I did that was the memory foam topper kept slipping off of the tri-fold. It kept walking away and I had to keep tucking it in, and it was a pain in the ass. I got tired of it. Was leery about doing it this way because I can't fold it up now. It's permanently set up. But it is what it is. I was getting tired of messing with it. So we'll give it a few trips, see how it works out, and then we'll go from there. But everything's coming along good. Got a lot of stuff done, some wiring, some electrical stuff. Got a bunch of doodads set up for hooks and clasps and stuff to hang flashlights. And like I said, I installed that battery charger because I try to do everything rechargeable batteries. And all my lights and everything here, I have independent batteries in them. I like them to have their own batteries, and then I just plug it in when I'm driving around and charge them up and unplug it. So far so good.